All right, guys, what is up? What is good? Hope everybody is doing well, and I am super excited to do a live unboxing from my favorite watch store ever. So let's get into it. Okay, look what's on my wrist, though. Okay, real quick, I know y'all are waiting for the new watch, but look what this is. This is something interesting. I have not shown this on the channel yet. This is a watch by a French company called Yema, Y-E-M-A. More to come on this watch in the very near future. But let's get into this Amazon box. Okay, and let's see what is in here. Super easy. And look what it is. Take it out of here. And it is a Luminox. Man, I love Luminox. What a great brand. Just awesome watches. And I was actually at work, and a colleague had this really nice Luminox on his wrist. And obviously, you know, something new because I know what everybody at work wears. And I was like, oh man, let me see that thing. And so this was a Luminox that was massive, but it was like kind of neon green, had some khaki. I think it was called, and I'm not kidding about the name, I think it was called the Commando Raider, but it's like a 44 or 46 millimeter watch, which said, you know what, which made me think to myself, say, hey, look, I've got a major life event coming up. I want to celebrate, and so let me see what Luminox has for me. And I did some research, and Luminox actually has some mid-size watches. So, all right, so let's see what this thing is. So, nice, fun, Pelican-style case. We're gonna open it. Oh man, God, I love Luminox. It has been too long since I've opened one of these, and this is actually a really cool one. This is the 39 millimeter Sea Turtle. So what a cool watch. I got this for, I would say with tax, a little over $300. So this is a 39 millimeter Sea Turtle, and look, from Amazon, you've got the international warranty card. So look, just do yourself a favor. Amazon is a great place to find these kinds of watches. So I'm really excited. You know, Luminox, I love the brand. I've shown it many times on the channel, a variety of Luminoxes. But you know, the issue with Luminox for a lot of people, me included, is, you know, even though they're always ultra light, they're made out of this Carbonox material. Sometimes the cases are too large, and typically these are 44 millimeter watches. But this 39 millimeter looks really good. I mean, it looks really good. Okay, and here is the 39 millimeter. Look how thin it is, man. What an easy watch to wear. And then you can kind of see the size compared to this. I think that Submarine is about 41 millimeters. So, you know, the Luminox has such great wrist presence. Let's take off this watch. I like the Submarine, don't get me wrong. Yema makes a great watch. I've got some really nice quartz watches from Yema. More to come on this one. So let's try this bad boy on. Oh, the size is perfect. I mean, it's really perfect. And it just, God, you know, it's just been a while since I've had a Luminox, and they are ultra light on the wrist. You know, I love it. Look, I love it. I love the size. I love the look, the legibility. It's just perfect for this watch. You know, and this is kind of a calmer Luminox, you know? I mean, like that Commando Raider, I really think that's the name, believe it or not, that my colleague was wearing. Man, that watch is eye-catching. Super cool, bright colors, like a big face, large markers, kind of jumbo-style hands. And it's an amazing, amazing looking watch, super good quality. Really, it's not that much more expensive than this watch. Honestly, I think he told me he paid less for that one, brand new in box, third party, of course, than I paid for this one. But having said that, though, you know, even though that's a great watch, you know, it's just, it may not be the right Luminox for everybody. And for someone like me who loves the brand, loves Luminox, loves the heritage and the history, you got to remember that these watches originally were quite small. And they were made for Luminox, which is a Swiss company. You know, by a German company that still makes watches with these tritium tubes. But, you know, my point is that this 39 millimeter watch in many ways harkens back to like old school Luminoxes, but it's got so much like modern feel to it. Look, the weight is just like not even there. You know, I mean, it's not even there for a 44 millimeter watch, but just the ergonomics of this watch are just so good on the wrist. I mean, this is definitely gonna start entering the daily rotation along with my other quartz watch I use as a daily. That's a Junghans Max Bill 39 millimeters. And so weirdly, this is a 39 millimeter Luminox, and I really like it. I would highly recommend it. I got it for around $300. That includes like taxes. Of course, there's no shipping with Amazon. It's kind of expensive, you know, for a quartz watch, but this is the power of branding. It's a Luminox, right? So non-watch people will immediately kind of say, oh man, look. I mean, it's very obviously a Luminox, you know. It's got the same brand cachet, the same brand power as, say, Tag Heuer, Panerai, you know, even Rolex. I mean, there's no doubt in anybody's mind whenever they see this watch, say, oh, that's hey, nice Luminox, man. That's exactly the words out of my mouth when I saw my colleague with his. And so my point being is that, you know, you pay a lot for the brand, the look, the style, the vibe. And I think the vibe is just super cool with this one because it is a Luminox and it's got all the good that comes with the brand, which includes the technology, you know, the case, the tritium tubes, the style, the design, which includes like the super legible black-white dial, the big hands. So it has all the good things with it, but also, you know, the brand has a lot of bad things. Big, garish watches, you know, like bro watches. This weirdly is a watch that has all the good, but still looks very, you know, it looks purposeful. It looks, okay, this is going to sound weird. It looks tactical without being tactical. And, you know, so it's not like Mall Ninja, but it's definitely Ninja. And so this is kind of like, oh yeah, you know, I've just had this kind of like for a long time. And so it's like a tool watch. It's serious, but it's not trying to take it, but it's not trying to be like, you know, like tactical, like, hey, you know, like I'm like this weird LARPy tactical guy, or girl. I don't know, that was a weird segue. So, you know, shout out to all my LARPers out there that love the channel. Anyway, guys, I hope you like a quick look at a fun watch, one that I really love. It's funny how you see a watch on somebody else's wrist and then you start to think about it and you're like, man, I really want that watch, or I would love to research the brand some more and see what's available. And that's exactly what happened. I saw an awesome, beautiful Luminox on a colleague's wrist. I said, man, I need to get back into Luminox, check out the brand. I had a good excuse to because I had a big life event that just passed. And I said, what a great opportunity to check out the brand. And I found a 39 millimeter Luminox, brand new, shipped to me 2 days from the nice people at Amazon. Anyway, highly recommend this 39 millimeter Sea Turtle for any of y'all that are looking for a smaller, a little more discreet Luminox. Guys, take care. God bless. Hope y'all are doing well. Look forward to making some more content for y'all real soon, including maybe a look at the Yema Submarine. All right, guys, take care. God bless. Bye.